Hi guys, let's talk about a few essential business verbs and nouns. Verbs: advise, avoid, break, cancel, confirm, convince, decrease, dismiss, establish, increase, invest, lend, lower, measure, separate. Now nouns: apology, creditor, explanation, feedback, goods, interest, objective, offer, price, purchase. Responsibility, schedule, stock, supply, target. The verbs: advise. The lawyer advised us about education policy. Avoid. Try to avoid conflict at the workplace, please. Break. If you want to work here, follow the rules, don't break them. Don't break the rules. Our partner broke his word and resigned. Cancel. They had to cancel tomorrow's meeting because they lost the flight. Confirm. Please confirm your payment by signing this paper. Convince. Can you convince the bank to fund your idea? Decrease. Our sales have decreased a lot this week. Dismiss. Your proposal was dismissed by the client. He doesn't want to invest so much in marketing. Establish. Grant will be given to establish a center for medical research. Increase. Our company has to increase the productivity at work. We lose time and money. Invest. She invested over $1 million in the company. Lend. The bank accepted to lend us $10,000. Lower. The employment rate has been lowered again this year. Measure. Can you measure the damage done to our company reputation? Separate. It's difficult to separate our offices building. Apology. Sorry. I complained to the company for the way I had been treated, and all I got was a written apology. Creditor. My company is not able to pay the creditor this month. Explanation. The manager gave a good explanation for his action regarding the pollution. Feedback. Your article has a positive feedback. Well done. Goods. Many companies deliver goods through the internet these days. Interest. She has shown an interest in our education project. Objective. What is your objective for the following year? Offer. I put an offer of $180,000 for that house, but it was refused. Price. The price of our cereals has increased lately. Purchase. There is no purchase as expensive as a house. Responsibility. It's your responsibility to ensure everything goes fine during our collaboration. Schedule. Have you finished doing the schedule of our business expenses? Stock. Contact the manufacturer, please. The company is out of stocks. Supply. Professionalism is in short supply these days. Target. The company's target of 2.5% growth wasn't accomplished.